What are the benefits of an electrical panel upgrade? Your electrical panel, sometimes known as a breaker box, is a critical component of your home. Your electrical panel keeps your HVAC running, your lights on, and your water hot. Anything in your home that runs on electricity runs through your electrical panel. Because your home's electricity is vital to your comfort and your home's everyday function, you'll want to make sure your electrical panel is in tip-top shape at all times. This means you may have to consider an electrical panel upgrade if you've been experiencing any issues with your electrical system. One of the many benefits of an electrical panel upgrade is increased safety. When you upgrade your electrical panel, you significantly reduce the chance of fire and electrical shock in your home. This is one of the primary benefits of an electrical panel upgrade because outdated or faulty electrical systems can cause devastating damage to your home. Another benefit of upgrading your electrical service or electrical panel is increased power. An electrical panel upgrade can ensure your home can meet its power needs for years to come. This means you're equipped for adding things like potentially a hot tub, room addition, or bathroom renovation, expanding electrical appliances throughout your home. A new electrical panel in your home means your power needs can be handled. When considering electrical panel upgrades, it's important to consider your home's future needs, as well as any current issues that may need to be addressed.